In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Sketchpad, a versatile online tool for all your drawing and design needs. Whether you're looking to sketch, create graphics, or draw just for fun, Sketchpad has something to offer. And the best part? It's entirely free and requires no downloads or installations. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to start creating. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to sketchpad.app. This is where you'll have access to the free online version of Sketchpad, eliminating the need for any software installation and letting you get straight to work. It's as simple as entering the URL and getting started. This convenience makes Sketchpad a fantastic choice for creatives who want to keep things straightforward and accessible. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the checkerboard canvas, ready and waiting for your ideas to flow. Surrounding this canvas is a comprehensive toolbar that houses all the basic tools you'll need for your project. From brushes and shapes to text and cropping tools, everything is at your fingertips. And don't worry, all these tools are free to use, which means you can experiment and explore without any limitations. Now, here's a tip. Before you start, think about what you want to create. Having a plan or a rough idea will help guide your use of Sketchpad's features. Once you've settled on what you want to create, grab the brush tool if drawing freehand is your style, or use shapes if you're aiming for something more structured. You can add text by selecting the text tool, ideal for captions or labels. And if you want to fill a space with color, the fill tool is there to make it easy. All these features together give you the freedom to bring your imagination to life effortlessly. After you've created your masterpiece, it's important to know how to save or export it. On the left side of your screen, you'll find an icon that looks like a floppy disk. Click it to access the Save or Export options. Here, you can choose to download your work in various formats, whether it be PNG, JPG, PDF, or SVG. This flexibility ensures your artwork can be shared or printed just the way you envisioned it, maintaining its quality and integrity no matter the medium you choose. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're well equipped to start creating with Sketchpad. Embrace the freedom of creativity this online tool offers and explore the endless possibilities it provides. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy your journey with Sketchpad as you turn your ideas into reality.